Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to trim white spaces on Google Sheets. To trim white space from cells in Google Sheets, you can use several methods depending on whether you want to remove leading and trailing spaces or extra spaces between words. Here's a guide for different scenarios, all right? So let's use the trim function, which is pretty much the only method we'll be using right here. The trim function removes leading and trailing spaces from text and reduces multiple spaces between words to a single space. So you're gonna have to select the, let's say in this cell, I want to add like multiple spaces and I'm just gonna leave it out there. So select the cells, choose an empty cell where you want to display the clean text. Okay, so here. Then use the formula equals and trim. Then you have to enter the text. So where AI is the cell with the text you want to clean, replace A1 with the reference to your cell. So I want to clean A4, all right, because it looks cluttered. So I'm just going to use A4. And once I use A4, just go ahead and close the parentheses and click on OK. I'll click on enter. And you see that that has been cleaned. And instead of this, it's now here on time delivery and all the spaces have been cleaned. So the result will show the text from A4, which is here, without leading, trailing, and extra spaces between words. All right, so you can also copy and paste values. If you want to replace the original data with the trimmed text, go ahead and select the cell with the trim formula and press Ctrl C. So Ctrl C will be here. Then of course CMD plus C on Mac. Then right click the original cell, which is here. Right click on it and select paste special and select paste values only. Values only. And that's it. That has been pasted. And the whole thing is now pretty much very clean. Okay, so that is a step. So you can also use another method, which is using the find and replace. That's for removing extra spaces. Now, if you need to remove extra spaces between words, not just leading and trailing spaces, just highlight the cells where you want to remove the extra spaces, then press Ctrl H to open the find and replace dialog. Then in find, enter 2 spaces in the find field and enter 1 space in the replace with field, and then click on replace all to remove extra steps or extra spaces. So you may need to repeat this process if there are multiple consecutive spaces. Now, ideal for removing leading and trailing spaces as well as reducing multiple spaces between words to 1 is the trim function. Then the find and replace is useful for quickly removing extra spaces between words, and of course you can use apt script, which is suitable for batch processing across large data sets or for custom automation. So by using these methods, you can efficiently clean up white space in your Google Sheets. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.